Set in the heart of Singapore's downtown, Gardens by the Bay is home to diverse collection of over 1.5 million plants that hail from every continent except Antarctica. Hi guys, this is Divya and welcome to my channel Destination Delight. Today we will explore Singapore's captivating Gardens by the Bay. So this video is divided into 4 parts. First one is the aerial view and main attraction where you can discover the exact location and main highlights of the garden. Second one is how to reach Gardens by the Bay using MRT. Third one is attraction details like timing, fee and unique features. And the last one is my small vlog where I will share my third day itinerary and favorite moments along with other important insights. Spanning over 101 hectares, Gardens by the Bay is a futuristic park that has transformed Singapore's skyline. Opened in 2012, it's a symbol of the city's vision to create a harmonious blend of urban life and natural beauty. So there are 4 major attractions: the Cloud Forest, Flower Dome, Super Tree Grove, and structures resembling them known as the Silver Garden and Golden Garden. In addition to these, there is a lesser known and lesser crowded attraction called as Floral Fantasy, which is located a short distance away. We will discuss about it in more detail later in the video. So this garden is situated just behind the iconic Marina Bay Sands, making it easily accessible to visitors exploring this vibrant area of Singapore. The easiest way to reach Gardens by the Bay is by taking the MRT. Simply follow the map shown here and alight at Gardens by the Bay MRT station, exiting through Gate 1. As you step out, you will immediately see the entrance to Satay by the Bay. From there, it's just a quick 200-meter walk to the main entrance of the Gardens by the Bay. For a special experience, hop on the free tram service within the gardens. It takes about 20 to 30 minutes and offers a fantastic overview of the entire garden, perfect for planning your visit before you start exploring each attraction in detail. The Cloud Forest at Gardens by the Bay is a mesmerizing indoor landscape where a 35-meter waterfall and lush exotic plants create a misty, tropical rainforest experience. It is open daily from 9 am to 9 pm and you can book your tickets through Klook. Single entry pass to the Cloud Forest can be expensive, so look for bundle offers to save on your visit. This is the map of the Cloud Forest, so simply start by taking the elevator to the 7th floor. You will enter the Lost World where the design showcases towering trees on the lower levels and shorter ones as you go up. On this floor, enjoy the Cloud Walk with incredible views of the Singapore Flyer and Marina Bay Sands. Then head down to the 5th floor for a stunning waterfall view. And believe me, this is perfect for capturing photos. On the 4th floor, don't forget to explore the treetop walk for a unique perspective of the forest canopy and sea. That one is the Cloud Walk. Continue through the Cloud Forest gallery and theatre on the subsequent levels and don't miss the beautiful waterfall for a surreal experience at the foothills before you exit. The Flower Dome is the largest glass greenhouse in the world, offering a year-round spring experience. You can explore diverse floral displays from around the globe, each showcased in different climate zones. It's open daily from 9 am to 9 pm. While the flower dome is very beautiful, but it's not as unique as the cloud forest. In my opinion, it's best appreciated by botanists or those with a keen interest in plants and flowers. This is the map of the flower dome. It features a total of 9 zones, 7 on the ground floor and 2 on the first floor. Now I will show you short clips of each zone one by one. If you are tight on budget, Floral Fantasy can be skipped. But if you are interested in more floral artistry and enchanting installations, it's worth a visit. It's open daily from 9 am to 9 pm. As mentioned earlier, Floral Fantasy is a bit farther away from the main gardens. You can get there by walking to Bayfront MRT just 200 meters away or by taking a tram service which costs $3 per person. The best time to visit Super Tree Grove is a few hours before sunset to enjoy its stunning beauty in the evening time and also catch the Gardens by the Bay light show, which takes place daily at 7:45 and 8:45 pm. Entry to the Super Tree Grove is free, but there are charges for the OCBC Skyway and Super Tree Observatory, both of which offer spectacular views of the Singapore skyline. Bundle offers for these attractions range from $55 to $75 depending on the selection of experiences you choose. Guys, welcome to my series of Singapore vlogs, and today is day 3 of my 5 days trip and we are going to Gardens by the Bay via MRT. और मेरा स्टे है यहाँ पे, ये है हमारा क्लार्क क्वे एंड ये स्टे है बेसिकली जो ब्लू कलर की बिल्डिंग है होटल बेनक्विलन, एंड यहाँ से MRT भी बहुत ज़्यादा पास में, इट्स जस्ट 100 to 200 मीटर्स अवे. तो हम वॉक करके अभी MRT जा रहे हैं, क्लार्क क्वे MRT. So the street name is Hong Kong Street and this is the landmark, Clark Quay Landmark Central, and जो MRT है वो फुटओवर ब्रिज के पास है. So as you can see just 200 meters away. तो यहाँ पे वेंडिंग मशीन भी है, फ्रेश ऑरेंजेस फ्रॉम ऑस्ट्रेलिया, and you need to submit $2 only. ऑरेंज आया, पैसे कट गए क्या? अच्छा, ये फ्रेश ऑरेंज जूस बन रहा है, इसमें बन रहा है क्या? अच्छा, ये जूस बन रहा है इसमें. हाँ, तो वो स्ट्रॉ भी आएगा से. There is Woods Pharmacy, there is 7-Eleven का store also, and if you want cash तो ATM machine भी installed है. I've got this EasyLink card from 7-Eleven store. They have taken around $10 for this and they have given me a balance of $5 in this card, and minimum balance which is required to make use of MRT is $3. So इसमें अभी कितने बचे, मैंने एक बार इसको यूज़ करा है and it has balance of $3.81 right now. Metro is already there and we are running towards the metro station to Harbour Front, which is heading to Harbour Front. So we got down at Outram Park and now we are taking the Thomson line towards Gardens by the Bay. It's super chilly at Flower Dome, तो make sure कि आप कुछ cover करके ही आना है यहाँ पे. So now we are going to see aquarium. हमने Flower Dome, Cloud Forest and Floral Fantasy तीनों cover कर लिए. अब हम sea aquarium जा रहे हैं. Do I need to first mention the amount?
How much you are going to put in?
10.
10. You just insert $10 inside. Here.
Achha, okay. Thank you so much. At यूनिवर्सल स्टूडियो और आज हम जा रहे हैं सी एक्वेरियम. तो उसके लिए यूनिवर्सल स्टूडियो से यू हैव टू टेक अ लेफ्ट. यस, हमने यहीं पे आके टिकट परचेज करा बिकॉज वी वर नॉट श्योर इफ विल बी एबल टू कवर सी एक्वेरियम और नॉट. टिकट्स 2 टिकट्स कितने की आई हैं ये? $88. $44 per person. So we have explored the aquarium and now we are sitting for some snacks. Outside the aquarium only this hub is there. पूरा खाने का यहाँ पे hub है. So we are having paneer tikka wrap, Indian खाना. We are heading back to hotel. इसके बाद थोड़ा freshen up होके then we'll go to Shoppes Mall at Marina Bay Sands.